Guys, if there is someone who look beautiful and you really want to tell them that they look beautiful, then you can tell them by using these 3 advanced words. Number 1 is stunning. You can say you look absolutely stunning. You look absolutely stunning. Number 2 is radiant. This is happy beauty. The bride looked radiant on her wedding day. The bride looked radiant on her wedding day. Number 3 is breathtaking. The breathtaking view was unlike anything I had seen before. The breathtaking view was unlike anything I had seen before. I hope guys you will definitely use these smart and advanced words to tell someone that they look beautiful. If you want to improve your advanced vocabulary skills, you can buy our Advanced English ebook. This ebook link is given in the description below. We will meet in the next video. Until keep watching, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye bye.